famous in Sri Lanka. Manju දැන් අන්තිම දවස මොකද කියන්නේ?
මම සන්තෝෂයි මේ ගමන මෙහෙම කරන්න ලැබිච්ච එකට. ගිය පාරත් අපි මේ විදිහටම ගිහිල්ලා යාපනයේ පිළිපේ පිළිකාරෝහලක් හැදුවා. ඒ වගේම මේ පාර මාතරට ජප්නා ඉඳලා මෙහෙට එන්න ලැබුණ එක මට ලැබුණ අතරම වාග්යක්. මොකද මට පුළුවන් නම් අපි වෙනුවෙන් දෙයක් කරන්න මම ඒ දේ කරනවා. අතන මේ අවස්ථාවට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න ලැබෙන ගැන මම ගොඩක් සන්තෝෂ වෙනවා.
ගොඩක් වෙනසක් මේ ට්‍රිප් එක.
ඔව් අතන මේක ලොකු වෙනසක්. මොකද ජීවිතේ මේ වගේ අත්දැකීමක් ලබා ගන්න ලැබීමත් ලොකු දෙයක්. ගිය පාරට වඩා අතන මේ පාර හැමෝගෙම ලොකු සහයෝගයක් තිබ්බා. හැමෝම ලොකු සහයෝගයක් ලබා දුන්නා. ඒ නිසා අතන අපිට මේ කටයුත්ත බොහොම හොඳට කරගන්න ලැබුණා. ඒ සහයෝගය ලබා දුන්න හැම දෙනාටම මම ස්තුති වෙනවා.
මිස්ටර් බාතිය
හායි හොඳයි.
මොකද හිතන්නේ මේ?
ඇත්තටම ට්‍රේල් ගැන කියනවා නම් මේකේ ඔක්කොමලා මේකේ මේ හොස්පිටල් එක හදන කාරණේ ගැන කතා කරන්නේ. හැබැයි මේකේ මම දකින ලොකුම දේ තමයි ජාති ආගම් කුල ભેද ඔක්කොම පැත්තකට දාලා අපි ශ්‍රී ලාංකික ජාතියක් හැටියට එකට එනවා. මොකද හුඟක් කට්ටිය මේක ස්ටේජස් වලයි අනම්මනම් තැන්වල කතා කරාට මෙන්න බලන්න ඇවිල්ලා මුළු ලංකාවම එකක් කියන එක ඔප්පු කරලා තියෙනවා ට්‍රේල් වොක් එකෙන්. මොකද ට්‍රේල් එකෙන් මුළු ලංකාවම ජාති ආගම් කුල ભેද පැත්තක දාලා එක හොස්පිටල් එකක් හදන්න හැමෝටම. So they have all worked towards being Sri Lankan and working towards humanity. All the best, guys. You guys are.
Thank you for your song. Your song is being watched by at least almost 500,000 people now, and it was only 48 hours ago we put the song out.
And I need to also tell you that the trail team led by Nathan here, they were the ones who gave us the concept and the entire, the approach to the whole song. So it's not just the team who did the song. It was not only me and Santosh. We have to thank the entire team, including the composer Mahesh. So anyway, guys, all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sari?
Yes.
How are you? Say hi.
So where?
Hi.
So call them and tell
So,
them.
Santosh,
Hi,
what do you think of the walk?
Tell them, hey, you take a
I
picture.
think this is probably the best emotional experience I've had. Maybe we were part of the tsunami, and that was quite emotional. But this is it's a very heartfelt project. Everyone's involved with utmost, with their hearts out, and
How did she get up there?
very, very short and sweet, I could say, is you really feel proud to be Sri Lankan, being a part of this. Everyone's, they've kept aside, it's nothing about being, about your race or your religion, nothing. They've come to help one cause, and everyone's doing with their hearts. That's the most important thing. And would like to tell all the people, be a part of this and help the cancer hospital. Contributions need to come in, so keep it going, spread the word. And Sri Lanka as a country has done something really great. Hats off to Nalan and Sarinder. You guys have inspired us, even with regard to the song, what you all did. Bringing out the concept and giving us that opportunity. I think thank you very much. It was the utmost emotional experience for us too. And Trail has thought not only about contributing to the society, not only about helping cancer. I think Trail has thought many things to Sri Lanka, to the Sri Lankan people, that we can do greater things. We can show the world that. They've, I think, set an example even to the world at the generosity of the people, the epic, projects that a small island can do. So I think Trail is something really, really great, and entire Sri Lanka, keep this going.
You must be proud. 500,000 views on your song.
Oh wow!
Various pages, Mahala's page, Kumar's page, Trail page, all of those things. So you must be really happy about that.
Yeah, it's very touching to hear when everyone comes and says it's a nice song. even to think about the shoot and how those little kids, they want to be a part of this. It's a very emotional thing, you know. And more than anything, I mean, all I can say is this has to go on. This is a new cult, and this has to go on. And people shouldn't stop from here.
Okay.
Please keep on contributing for
Thank
this. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thanks, Nathan.
Santosh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.